Cool. Hey guys, so today's an exciting day. We've got everything to fit the boat out, which is pretty cool. I've already opened most of the boxes, but I'll put this up here and we'll go through some of the stuff. So the first things I want to get done is the steering, which is in here. Hoses, all the stuff for the helm. Steering wheel. Went for a small one because there's not a lot of space. VHF. I had that from my old boat, which I never used, so it's going to get used on this one. I think this is some lights, maybe some little work lights. Bilge, there's already a bilge on there, but switch panel, pretty cool, came with all the stickers, and pretty nice little switch panel. Then we've got solar charger. If I put a solar panel on the roof. USB and voltage meter. Bit of cable. I've got some more cable coming, but that'll give me a start. Basic little stereo. Came with the waterproof marine speakers and radio. What else have we got? So much stuff. Bilge, not bilge, deck wash and hose. So that's the other job. I need to figure out how that fits with the batteries and where I put it. Don't know what's in there. Some more. Oh yep, just some battery terminal switches. Magnetic strips for knives on the bait board. One battery box, need to get another one. Fuel water separator. That's just some spare paint and stuff that came with it. Fuel sender, gauge. Which I had another one of because I didn't realise they gave me one. Don't know what that is. Oh yeah, bus bars. Oh, underwater lights. They'll go on the back. Yeah. That's just the mounts to the light bar. Oh, dual sensing voltage relay for the battery, for the second battery. Oh yeah, just a breaker. There's some more of those little lights that I had in the other box, so put them up on the hard top. Man, it's hot in this shed. Light bar. Actually, I had it for my car for a fair while, but never used it, so I'm going to put that up on the front. Getting through it now. Yeah. Oh yep, anchor light. Bought these. I thought they were a bit bigger for the cabin lights, so I don't know if I'm going to use them or not, but we'll see. Transducer, I had that off my old boat. I think it's a 275 high wide. Sounder off my old boat as well, HDS 12. Looks good. And then the batteries, dual batteries. These are 70 amp hours, and they're actually dual purpose cranking batteries and deep cycle marine batteries. So 2 of them should be plenty. So yeah, the first job is to get the batteries, those batteries put in here. We'll go up and have a look, and then the second job is to get the steering fitted. But I'll give you a quick look around the boat. So yeah, it's 18-foot center console, brand new. Got nothing on it yet, just yeah, I sort of changed the design a bit. I had the hard top made a bit longer and come back to here. Originally it was just this top tee, so Matt got that extended, a bit more shade, which is pretty cool. And yeah, back of the boat, got your dive ladder there. So yeah, obviously dash, got the steering, sounder all there. I've already fitted up there. That's the stereo, that's for the VHF speaker holes. There is already nav lights fitted. Live bait tank here, which needs to get plumbed up still, but the batteries, I've taken the doors off while I try and fit the batteries. Not sure if I'll put the deck wash in there or in there. I think it'd be better to keep it away from the batteries, just in case it leaks. Baitboard, got some drawers for tackle storage and stuff. Kill tank here. It's got a bit of water in there. And then yeah, big pockets on the gunnels, big wide gunnels. They're about, I don't know, 200mm wide, which is nice. Sea deck sitting there. Plenty of rod holders and cup holders. And I kept the 2 side walkthroughs nice and low. Just I wanted to be able to go diving and stuff and not have a full height there. Coming around the front. The only thing I still need to order is an electric anchor winch, which I will order at some point. And then yeah, cab. I'm going to put the light bar up here. try and keep the roof free. I have already mounted the antenna for the VHF. And then yeah, I just want to keep this free. If people want to hop up and sit up there, they can. So yeah, that's basically it. We'll start fitting some stuff off and yeah, give you guys another walkthrough once it's all done. So cool.